Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for another video of Elrond. Yes, Elrond family, it's good things coming up with Elrond, and I want to go over that with you because we have the future of money with the Maiar app is being already in process with the Elrond blockchain. My name is Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel because we're going to go ahead and break some things down of Elrond Gold. And to me, it's still underrated in my opinion. So let's go ahead and dive into this content. Now I want to show you this as well, the D5 for the next billion. And this is the 8th MEC snapshot cycle is live. So this is happening on the Maiar exchange. Of course, Maiar is definitely linked to the Elrond project. The Maiar is powered by the amazing technology of the Elrond blockchain, and it's going to radically change the way we interact with money. So you can go ahead and download the Maiar right here. I'll have the link in the description, and you can go ahead and get excited for this as well. So when you download it, you'll go ahead on your Apple Store or your Google Play if you have an Android. I love Android. And then also here as well. So let's go ahead and continue with the process with Elrond Gold. Right now it's down $83.25. So it's down 17%. But when things are down, and knocked on opportunity. That's an opportunity. Now this is not financial advice. This is just some information I want to share with you because you are important to me. Now, Elrond Gold, to me, this is a $2,000 project in my opinion. A price prediction is about $2,000 project and more in my opinion. So much things has happened with Elrond Gold because just like this, welcome to the future of money. Absolutely. Now, throughout this whole process, I did a review over this as well. The co-founder of Elrond, he talked to the lovely Layah Heilpern. She had an AMA on her YouTube channel. I'll have the information in the description box. You can watch this whole interview. It was a great interview. She did a fantastic job. He did a great job in terms of answering the questions from the community. So watch this, subscribe to her channel as well. They did a great job of giving you the goods. Now, here's one thing I want to show you as well. You knew the internet scale blockchain is live. We knew about that. High scalability, fast, secure blockchain. That's what Elrond does. But here's something that the CEO bring out as well. This more good news. NFT DeFi, lend and borrow, Algo or Elrond, and other Elrond Network assets using the non-fungible tokens as collateral. So now you have Elrond plus Stater. So you have another entity that's going to really explode Elrond into a whole different level. So I know this may not be huge news. To me, it's positive news. It's because it's another element that's making Elrond strong and very, very strong for the future. Now, we were talking a little bit about this in the beginning of the video today, and the mainnet upgrade is in progress. Remember, the testnet, they're going to test that sometime this month, in the month of June. Staking phase 3.5, the Maiar exchange microservices enhancement, and NFT service SFT support, and IPFS as well. Now, more things is happening. I like this process here. Look at this here. I wanted to show you this as well. Staking 3.5 will allow all existing validators to either start their own pool, which is great, or become members of an existing one. So you can do that. That's a really good option that they give you there. Will increase the amount of Algo or Elrond that can delegate, thus empower more people to secure the network and support the ecosystem of the long term. I like this. It's more positive news that's coming out with Elrond, and this is going to give you options with this whole process. Now, what I like about what the co-founder of Elrond does, he gives you information exactly what's happening with the Maiar app. And when I went to the Maiar, I was like, listen, Maiar is powered by the amazing technology of the Elrond blockchain. Oh my goodness. So go to this as well, and this is some of the features that it has on the Maiar app. Seamless onboarding, hero tags, social payments, multiple coin, and this is something I know you'll like, earn and staking. Earn and staking is probably one of the best things. Progressive security, that's important to me as well. non-custodial, and news and daily digest. So this is good stuff that I believe people will like. I mean, seamless support, a seamless onboarding. You want things easier and simple when you get on board to the Maiar in terms of applications. And the fact that you have earn and staking, oh my goodness, for everyone, everywhere, create a wallet in seconds. In seconds, not minutes, in seconds. No username, no password, no recovery phase to back up, just your phone number. Maiar offers a digital identity layer that starts with a service mapping the phone number to a wallet address while preserving privacy and allowing users to send money to friends and family through their address book. This is really, really powerful. And I cannot wait some more development that's coming out with this. I cannot wait. This is just really excites me right now, and I wanted to share this with you as well. Now, we were talking a little bit about the price, that right now it's down. It's opportunity. I can smell opportunity. And then you hear that knock on the door. That's not opportunity is knocking right now. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm just basically giving you some options. Think about this. Elrond had a low total supply and max supply. It's already basically connected with the Maiar app, and the Maiar app, I'm telling you, it's a lot of great things, a lot of good benefits with this as well. You already know about this. It's a high scalable, fast, secure, and blockchain platform. You already know about this. You know about this AMA that came out earlier, I believe last week, talking more about the developments of the Elrond Network and also all the applications and also the actual technology that surrounds it. This is a good interview, so definitely check this out. So it circles me back down to this, the price. And I know sometimes people get really frustrated. Oh, the price is going up, price is going down, you know, but listen, $84 for all the development that's happening right now, this is a steal. It's like stealing. This is a steal. So if you want to get it, if you don't have a part of your portfolio, I would suggest you consider it. You can get it on Binance, and also I have crypto.com. You know me, crypto.com in the description box. You can go ahead and download the app and get it, or you can go ahead and go to the Maiar application, or you can go to Elrond. So you guys can go to their website. You can get it from here and start staking it. You also can go to the Maiar app, you know, download that and get started with that process. So you do have options. So thank you for watching this video today. I think Elrond is one of the projects that you really should consider not only adding your portfolio, but adding more. Consider adding more, because when this thing take off, it's gonna be off to the races, because all the things that's going on in development and the team, and oh my goodness. But anyway, click on the link below to get started if you want to start with Elrond. But like and comment, subscribe to this channel, and I can't wait to do more videos about Elrond and more other projects and other things that's going to help grow your brand and help grow your bank account as well. And I'll talk to you guys later. Remember this. I'm going to leave you with this. Welcome to the future of money. I'll see you later on the next video.